In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Heights AI to create a landing page for your course, community, digital product, or coaching business. One that clearly explains your offer and helps turn your visitors into customers. We're going to start with a simple idea, turn that into a full page, and then I'll show you how to customize and make changes from there. And it's important to note that what we're building here is not only a nice design or a nice looking web page. A landing page needs to translate the thing that you're offering in a way that your customer is going to understand and be able to relate to. So ideally, they go and make a purchase from you. And the next part is that we don't want to have to deal with all the technical things, because I'm sure that you've seen some kind of video before that says, here's how you make a landing page, but then there's all these other steps that are required. So that way somebody can actually click buy and go and check out. So I'm going to take you from 0 to somebody is ready to click buy and check out for purchasing your product in just a few minutes here. So here we are inside a Heights platform account. If you want to follow along and try this out for yourself and you're not a Heights platform customer, go to heightsplatform.com. You've got a free 30-day trial. There's no credit card needed. You can try all the features that I'm showing you here. So we're in an example account here that's based around selling a photography course. The idea here is there's a photography course that we have. We're going to teach somebody how to get their first photography client. And what we need to do is build a web page for that. So I'm going to go here over to the creator dashboard, and then I'm going to click on web pages, new page, and now create with AI. And now on this screen, this is kind of where we're setting up essentially what becomes the prompt for building the web page that we want. But where this is really interesting is we can add some details to it. I'm going to show you how to do that. But Heights AI is automatically going to be able to see and understand the thing that we're offering. And so that saves a whole lot of time of us having to explain it either to another AI, to an actual web designer, or anything like that. We can just say, hey, this is what I'm making it for. So I'm going to go here and say, get your first photography client. Now we can see, okay, it's looking at that. We can say, what type of page do we want to create? So we can choose homepage, sales page, pre-sale page, about us, coming soon. I'm going to stick with homepage for now. And we've got 3 options here: offer details, existing content, and layout specifics. So offer details is if we want to add any additional information that we believe Heights AI might not know from just looking at the offer itself. So anything, that's not obvious from a quick look. For now, I'm going to leave that blank. Existing content, this is also something that is completely optional, but let's say you already know exactly the text that you want to have on this web page. I think especially if you plan to have a more text-heavy web page, it's going to be better when you're writing it yourself than asking any AI to do that for you. More specifically, one of the biggest reasons why we tell creators to do that is because the reason people are buying your course is to get some kind of specific result or outcome. The reason people are buying most products or things, if you're not selling a course, it's for some kind of specific thing that they hope to achieve from that. And so we want to be able to communicate that clearly, but we also want to be able to communicate our unique experience and unique knowledge. And so AI is not going to do that unless we've already informed it about that in some way. So we've got 3 buttons here: offer details, existing content, and layout specifics. I'm going to go through each of these and show you how to use them. Offer details is really just to add some extra information that wouldn't be obvious from looking at your offer itself inside Heights platform. And so for now, we're going to skip that. Existing content is great for if you already wrote some copy or text that you want to make sure is included on the page. You can simply paste that here, and then AI is going to put things in nice places for you. And then finally, layout specifics. This is something where if you already have a kind of vision of what you want to be on the page or where, you can communicate that to the AI. So for example, I want a video at the top of the page. If you knew that you want that, you could mention that here. But for now, I'm going to leave all of those blank. And then we have an option for if you would like to follow the design style of one of your existing pages. And this is really nice because once you've got a page that you're happy with and you like the way that that's designed, you can just have Heights AI copy that and then make a new page for a new offer. That's one of the ways that this can make things go really, really fast for you, which is nice. But for now, we're going to say no. So we're going to start with a brand new design. Now we could say to use the account's color theme here. So we've got this blues and orange and gold kind of look. Or we can pick from these different presets here. And really all these presets is just a prompt. And so you're actually going to get slightly different results from these presets, even if you choose the same preset multiple times. And you'll see how it just changes the text here. So you can also just write something from scratch if you want. If you've got some ideas of what you might want to describe there, you can describe the fonts, you can describe the colors, other things about the theme. And let's see, I think I'm gonna just go with this one and see what it looks like. I've already made a couple pages, I'll show you. But let's try this out. We have these sliders which can affect the design a little bit. Right now, this is kind of a beta feature, so they don't do too much. And then we've got the option of saying for the images that are added into the page, do we want a modern, like actual photograph, or do we want a illustration? Since this is a photography course, I think it makes more sense to go with the photo. So I'm going to click continue the page preview. And now what happens is the AI builds the kind of initial plan for our web page. And so we kind of see this like wireframe mockup of what our web page might look like. And this is our chance to kind of get an idea before we see the full generated page of if we're going in the right direction. Now, a really important thing to mention right here is this is the opportunity for us to say, you know what, if this is not what I wanted at all, then you can go back and kind of adjust the prompts, what I just showed you. So we've got the back button up here. And otherwise, if we're close and we don't feel that we need to go back, then you can click on any of these colors to adjust the color themes and be able to preview that. So let's say if I wanted to like change the button color or something like that, you can see how that changes some things in here. Let's say I made it more of a green look like that. And then I'm going to click Shuffle Hero, and I can go through some different styles for the header. I think I'm going to choose that for now. And now I hit Generate Web Page. Oh, and we can also pick the font here. I'll just leave it as the AI decided. And we click Generate Web Page, and now the AI is actually going to build something for us. And where this is really cool is that you can just get these web page ideas out so much faster. It used to be, okay, I've got to hire a web designer, or I've got to learn this web page building platform. And no matter what, it was like a big effort to say, I'm going to try a new idea for a new offer. And now here we go. Before I could even explain it, it's already done. So let's click View Page and see what this looks like. And so here's the page that got created for us. And now what you're looking at is it pulled some of this into the page from our actual account. So Ashley Green is the fictional author of this program. It already has the information about her, the profile image. These images are generated by Heights AI, and then it wrote some copy in here for us. These testimonials are actual testimonials that we added inside our account before. So it's not just making things up. It gave us a pricing section and then a call to action here at the bottom. So this looks okay. I probably would have done a couple things different, but what's important is we have a structure that we didn't have to think about or learn about, okay, what has to go where, or what are the ingredients of what we maybe have to choose here. And now we have the ability to go and iterate and refine that. So let me show you how to do that. So I'm going to go back here and click Edit Page. And now we are in the web page editor, and you'll see we can select anything. So if we want to change the text, we can do that. We've got these options on the side to make adjustments. If we decide later on, you know, I want to change the complete color theme in total, we can go back to those theme colors and adjust them all here. We've got the AI theme builder here if you want to have AI help kind of recolor the whole page. And now where this can get complicated is there's a lot you can do with building and designing web pages. But I think for most people here, we want to create something that we like and that we feel represents our brand. But at the same time, we don't want to spend just endless hours tweaking things. So I'm going to show you the way that I would approach this to build something fast. If you look on the side here, we've got these basic edits and then advanced edits. And so I think for most people watching this, unless you're already a web designer, you probably want to stay away from these advanced edits, because instead what we can do is when you hover over any section of the web page, so the outermost area here, you'll see we have this AI button. And what is nice here is we can click on this, and now we have the option to edit a section or recreate a section from scratch. Now we could just describe what we want. Instead of having to figure out how do I adjust this thing or adjust that thing, we can just try telling the AI something. So for example, let's say on this, let's say I really wanted the image on the other side. I'm gonna say switch the image to the left column and make the text on the right instead. And I'll submit that. And now the AI is going to basically redesign that section according to what I described. And there we go. So it did it successfully. And now I'm all ready with that. And I could go and just experiment with other things. If it's not what I like, I can hit undo up here. I can click this to see a mobile preview to get an idea of what this is going to look like in mobile. But for now, let's say I'm okay with that. I'm going to click save, and then I am going to exit. And well, actually I'll preview here first. And what we can do is if we were ready to publish this right now, the one other thing I want to mention is that you would say like, okay, well, we've got a button here, like what's the other steps, right? Because how do we make sure that this actually links to our product and somebody can actually go and buy it? Well, Heights AI has already set it up so that way this button is linking to the checkout page of our product. So I'm going to go here, and when I click on the enroll button, you'll see that this takes me into the checkout and registration step for somebody to go ahead and purchase. So really all I need to do now is publish this web page, and then everything else is all set up with my offer that I built. And now I want to show you here before we finish another example. So here's another web page that I generated with Heights AI earlier. And this one matches more of the theme of the kind of optic photo brand that we had in the rest of our account. And so I wanted to just show you through this real quick, what it looks like. You'll see we have some of the same basic sections, and it also depends on like what we ask the AI or what we don't. So it's kind of biased to what it thinks it should include as those basic sections. But if we wanted to be more specific and say, I want to have a video here, or I want to make sure there's this other section of FAQ is more towards the top, all that kind of stuff we can actually start out with in that initial prompt when we're building a web page. And I would actually say that sometimes it's easier to do that than to go in and try to tweak the little things later. And what's nice about this is there's not a limit on how many times you can use the AI web page builder. You are free to go and say, I'm going to exit the editor here, I'm going to click a new page, and then just try building a page again, and then get something that you're relatively happy with, that you think is pretty close to what you want. And then once you have that, then you can kind of make those final tweaks to get something that's actually ready to launch. But overall, this is the strategy that I use and that we built for creators. So that way you can come up with a web page that matches your brand, get it out quickly without having to explain your offer, without having to link and configure checkouts and all that. And you're just ready to go. And so that's my favorite thing about this, how fast it makes it for you to be able to test. Because maybe not every offer that you come up with is going to be successful. Maybe not every landing page that you come up with is going to be successful, but it gives you the ability to get something out quickly without having to spend a bunch of time, without having to spend a bunch of money. Then you can get feedback on that to learn how to improve and grow your business. So I hope this helped you. If you want to try this out again for yourself, it's at heightsplatform.com. We have a free 30-day trial. There's no credit card required. All the features and everything that Heights AI has to offer. There's millions of things that I didn't touch on in this specific video, but Heights AI can help you set up the product itself and the offer itself in the first place. So what you're seeing here, this is just the version that we have now of Heights AI 2, but Heights AI 3 is on the way later this year, and it's going to make creating web pages even easier, even faster, and closer to whatever kind of design style that you're trying to get to. I encourage you to try that out. It's at heightsplatform.com. If you've got any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'll take a look at that. And if you want to learn more about how to build a digital product business, check out our next video.